Hi Nelson, hope you are doing well. Thanks for sharing the Loom video. So let me explain what I have understand. So in this Loom video, you have just described like already you have created a basic boards and properties and now you want to automate. So for this current board, can you please send me outline in the text format like which automation you want. Even you can invite me in your Monday account and I can figure out basic according to my expertise like where which automation we can implement that will help us in this system. And let me show you similar project last week. Similar project I have built for my clients like shoot schedule, footage, editing pipeline, publishing delivery, add campaign and other things. So here I have add a lot of automations properties, then next footage scheduler, and then editing pipeline. In these scenarios I have connect boards each other and then set up the automate workflows. So you can share with me requirements. In the last message you have mentioned like you wanted to create a new boards, then set up the automations, then use Slack, Google Drive and Notion integration. Yeah, definitely I can do that. So the next process is that you can invite me in monday.com account and you can share with me workflow process in document format like text message, and let me know which tool you will use for integration purpose like Zapier or mac.com. And then I will integrate Slack, Google Drive, Notion with monday.com. Thank you for watching this video and shoot a message.